Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 STX. Coming in this nice Oxford white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the STX Black Appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera, that nice blacked out Ford logo, mud flaps on the rear, a black gripped running board, blind spot detection, mud flaps on the front. We do get a nice black hood deflector, 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space. We have carpeted interior, floor mats, cup holders, 12-volt, and outlets just right there. And of course, you can fold up the seats for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, parking brake, lights, and auto stop auto start all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 7.9 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have My View, Trip and Feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have tons of storage outlets. You even get little storage cubbies underneath, cup holders. You got that nice center console with tons of storage that you can lock as well. Dry modes, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive. Nice little coin slot. You got your climate controls, 12-volt, and little outlets right there. Storage above with the F-150 logo. Storage below. Storage right here. And clicking here, we do get our backup camera. You got your hazards and traction. Looking here, we have our audio, which does have AM, FM, and Bluetooth. You got your phone settings, fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, whatever you have selected. You got your apps right here, such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD36287, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.